Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Dear viewers, in front of me Nubia Red Magic 8 Pro device, and now I'm gonna show you how to resolve the trouble when screen is not responding. So when you're trying to do something on your screen, but screen is not responding. So as you can see, in my case, it's responding well. Now I just showing you how to resolve this problem if you will have it. So of course, if you if your device fault, so of course maybe you have the physical damage of the device, and I can help you in this situation. You need to use help of customer service of ZTE or other else services, customer services, to help you fix the physical damage. But sometimes it's only because our favorite Red Magic OS, sometimes it's freezing and freezing too well. So sometimes we just need to force restart our device. To force restart this device, you need to press and hold power and volume up during 15 seconds. After you will feel vibration, release both buttons. Here you will see the recovery mode. We don't need it, so here just use English. Click on the volume down to scroll down, and power button to confirm. And here just find reboot and click OK. Wait a while and your device will reboot without removing files from your device or without factory reset without it. So you don't need it. You don't need to do it. You just need to force restart your device. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye.